Hi guys, sorry so late. It's almost dark outside and I'm finally getting your announcements to you. It's been a long day, but excited that we got some of our dibbles done today. Your announcements for the week, nothing out of the huge ordinary, just a couple things very quickly. The art museum is this Friday. If you'd like to RSVP for that, you can do that there. I will be at the Kansas City one this time until the weather gets better, and then I'll come out to Wichita. So I'll be at the art museum here in the Kansas City area. Dibbles, I only have 3 students that haven't signed up with me. I'm not sure about Miss Burdick. I think she just has a couple more that she needs to sign up. And then Mrs. Pratt has some that are doing doing dibbles with her. So make sure that you know who you're doing dibbles with and you've signed up for that and know your day and time so you can log in for that. Book orders, I have organized our book orders. They are in envelopes. All I need to do tonight is to write addresses on them and take them to the post office tomorrow. So if you ordered books, please be looking for those. I'll probably put the learning coach's name on there, first initial, last name. So be looking for those and let me know if there's any issues. Our next book order, I'm going to submit on the 19th, our last day before our break from school. Here is our week at a glance. So what we have going on this week, there on our website if you'd like to check that out. Don't forget to come back here and do your survey so you get credit for watching the recording for the week. Don't forget our pacing charts are here if you need them. Getting close to quarter 3, so make sure you're caught up on those. One other thing, teacher graded assignments. Well, let's see if it's going to pull up. There we go. Don't forget that this Friday, the 7th, this Friday the 7th, we have our work sample session, our live session, so make sure that you're there for that. The kindergarten is at 9:30 right after homeroom, and first grade is at 10 o'clock this Friday. Log into those, and then if you're there live, I take your work sample. Learning coaches, you don't have to turn in anything for December. I'll do the work. And then if you're there live, you don't have to turn anything in for January. You'll have a freebie. All right. Thought there was one other thing. Nope, I went through that. Oh, my light just went off. All right. We do have interims. If you guys remember, we did interims in, oh, I just lost the name of it. The system that is in the OLS, that we did our interims in at the beginning of the Stride. Is that it? So that will be coming up. It's not quite yet. It's in right before we go on break. So we will keep you posted on that and when that assessment is open, and you'll have your student go into the Stride in the OLS, and it'll take you right to the assessment for math and for ELA, just like we did at the beginning, towards the beginning of the year, not all the way to the beginning. So we'll keep you posted on that. That will be coming up. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We are doing dibbles for the next 2 weeks. So please make sure you know where your appointment is. And we will be looking forward to doing dibbles with you. Have a wonderful week. Stay warm. It's cold outside here. And we will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Oh, look, it lets me continue recording. Your secret word for today. Your secret word is gingerbread. Gingerbread, because Miss Burdick and I have lots of gingerbread books this week for you. So, one other thing I would like to do is do a drawing. We haven't done it in a really long time. So what we're going to do is, number 1, if you are in the live sessions for phonics, for math, for the science and history session. And we will put you in a drawing for next week. One for kindergarten, one for first grade. And I can't find another one. There we go. We'll do this one. Okay, so if you are drawn, if I draw your name next week, I have 2 books that I'll be giving away. One for first grade, one for kindergarten. So next time I do our announcements, I'll draw for these books. If you're there live in the sessions this week, we'll put your name in the drawing every time you're there. All right, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.